Hello once again YouTube. So today we are going to answer a subscriber question. So that question is about the Arctis 7 wireless headphone by Steel Series. So we are going to answer this question about if you can use this headphone on a mobile device like a cell phone. So yeah, we will answer that after this. This video is brought to you by Lenin Computer Systems. They recently launched their online store which caters to a wide range of gadgets, electronics, and of course computer parts and accessories. Visit their website at shop.lenincomputers.com. They also have the rare computer part which is the VIPCO ARGB converter which I featured on one of my videos. So don't forget to check them out. Okay, there we go. So we are going to discuss about this headphone if we can use it on a mobile device. So the answer is yes. Basically, that is one reason why I bought the headphone in the first place because I want a headphone that I can use on a desktop computer and also on my mobile because previously I was using a laptop and I want this headphone to be able to connect to my laptop and also my um, mobile device whenever I want to listen to music. So right now, this headphone has a LED bulb, which I discussed on the previous video, though I did not emphasize on what kind of bulb this is. So before we go into the wireless feature of this headphone, I will. I just want to clarify what LED bulb this headphone has. So basically, this is the LED bulb that I'm talking about. So as you can see, it's blinking red right now, but this headphone is already fully charged. So why is that? Because the LED bulb is the indicator. Whenever the headphone is on green, I mean the LED light is green, it means the headphone is fully charged. But right now, it's fully charged, but then the LED light is still blinking red. So how do you fix that? So basically, there are a couple of ways to fix that. One fix is that disconnect the wireless receiver, which is this one. So disconnect it from your computer and turn off the headphone and turn it on again, and sometimes it fixes itself. So if that fix doesn't work, what you can do is plug the headphone using the USB cable that came with it and plug it onto your PC and open the Steel Series. I forgot the name of the software, but the Steel Series software, and that will fix the LED bug for you. If all else fails, you can just take this ear cups on the left side and press the reset button using a needle or something that's not very sharp. So you can reset the cell phone until it turns off by itself. Just press that button right there. And yeah, if you want more clear explanation, you can watch my previous video. But the cell phone is not broken. Although you can say it's buggy, but the cell phone works perfectly. But in any case that your your headphone, yeah, did I say cell phone? I think the headphone doesn't charge itself, even though you charged it like for the entire night. So you have to RMA it or you know bring it for warranty. Because my headphone works perfectly even though with the LED bulb, which I don't really mind. So every time I'm not using the headphone, I charge it, but always practice trying to use charge the headphone whenever it's low on battery. But if it's not low on battery, just keep on using it. So yeah, always do that to extend the battery life of the headphone. Do not charge it if it's not low on battery. So okay, enough of that. So we are now going to uh, look at how we can use the uh, headphone on mobile devices. So what we need is this one. So this is an auxiliary cable. So which is male to male auxiliary cable. So what you have to do is this receiver, as you can see, there are two holes right there. Um, the first hole is labeled as line in, line out. So this is the line out where you plug in the speaker. So whenever you turn off the headphone, the the sound goes directly to the speaker. So if you plug in the line in, so this is where you plug in the auxiliary cable. So there we go. So the other end of the auxiliary cable will go to your mobile device. So let's see. Okay. So yeah, you plug it there. So yeah, sorry, that's my wife, by the way. So yeah, there you have it. That's the basic setup. And also, currently the end of my receiver is plugged into my PC. So to power up this receiver, you need it plugged in to a USB power source. So that is where the power bank comes in. So you plug this into a power bank to power it up, and it doesn't require that much power, so you can just use any like 5000 mAh power bank, and that will be enough for, I mean, like a day or something playing. I'm not sure, so I haven't really tried how much power it draws from the power bank, but I've been using this setup for quite a while. So yeah, and you just have to turn on the headphone, and the headphone will detect the receiver itself, and yeah, you can play whatever music or video you want from your cell phone. So yeah, compared to the Arctis 5, I'm not really sure if it's Arctis 5 that has the Bluetooth capability. um, you have to bring with you a power bank all the time. So yeah, there are small factor uh, power bank out there, which is a more or less 5000 mAh. That would be enough to power up this receiver. So sorry for that. So yes, so that's basically the setup that I discovered for Arctis 7. So I was actually searching for a headphone that would work on my desktop and also on the go with my cell phone. So I really like the Arctis 5, but for the specification wise, I like the Arctis 7. And fortunately, the receiver has a workaround on mobile devices because of the line-in jack right there. So as long as your source supports 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cables, that would work. So yeah, sorry for lagging. I'm not doing this with script, so I'm doing this live. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. That's it for the tutorial, and I would like to thank you for all the support that you gave this channel. And yeah, we recently reached 1000 subscriber. Actually, we are now running 1.5 subscriber, 1500 plus subscriber, and I really thank you guys for supporting. And yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.